Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Gmail labels for workflow management, step by step. If your inbox feels out of control, labels can turn Gmail into a simple workflow system. This full guide for 2026 is perfect for business and remote work. Gmail labels are more powerful than folders because one email can have multiple labels. Create labels based on workflow stages like to do, in progress, waiting, and completed. Nest labels to organize projects or clients under each workflow stage. Apply labels manually when emails arrive so everything stays actionable. Use filters to automate labeling based on sender or keywords. Add colors to labels to recognize priorities instantly. Click labels to view tasks by stage, turning Gmail into a task list. Archive emails after labeling to keep your inbox clean. Review and move emails between labels daily as work progresses. And that's how to use Gmail labels for workflow management step by step in 2026. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.